So here's what I'm looking at. We got an engine, we got rotors, headlight, bumper, radiator, wheels, and a whole bunch of shit. Intercooler, airbox, something. Just everything kind of got given up on. So I need to make all this, minus the radio, go into all of that all over again. I got no idea where to start and what to put together first, last, any of that. But it looks cool, you know? It's like one of those exploded views of a car. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to accomplish again. Considering the guy who was working on it quit, and then I ended up here, but I don't really have that much experience. But, you know, the internet is here to supplement my lack of experience with all of theirs. So help me out, guys. Please, oh please.